Hello, we are from Gunadarma University. My name is Randy Riansyah.
My name is Evan right now.
My name is Dais Nafsa.
My name is Muhammadul Albab.
We will explain about the operating system. Definition of operating system. The operating system is the link between the hardware and the user. The operating system also serves as a control program in the order to avoid misses of the computer and set up the management of the research content in the computer system and providing service to users that allows users to operate the computer. Operating system function. 1. Research manager. The management of research and allocated. Example, memory, CPU, disk drives, and other devices. 2. Interface or face-to-face. Namely, as an intermediary between users and the hardware by providing a display to the user more easily understood and user-friendly. Coordinate and provide facilities so complex activity that can be regulated and can be processed as control. Guardian provides access control the server to protect files and provide oversight on that and programs. A gatekeeper serves as a controller of access right by the users who are eligible to enter into the system and keep an eye on what it will do. Optimizer is the scheduler input by the user, accessing the database, the computing process, and use. A content function to adjust CPU time, memory usage, calling the EO. This storage and a terminal connection servers function to serve the user computer.
Basic concepts operating system. Batch system. Batch understanding of the system itself is a system that collects a job that similar and run as usual. Purpose: to increase CPU usage to handle the job or task that exist. Multi-programming system. Definition of multi-programming system is a system where the job is stored in the main memory at the same time and CPU are used interchangeably. Test system operation in multi-programming system. Placing a process in the main memory in the accordance with the priority, forming a queue. Incorporation the process to the CPU for execution. Range replacement process. Time sharing system. Definition of time sharing system itself is a system in which job storage in the main memory and can be run simultaneously. The processing time for CPU usage is restricted. The advantages of this concept are the level of unity in the higher CPU usage. The process can also be done alternately. Multiprocessing system. Understanding multiprocessing system. A system that has more than one CPU. Real-time system is a system that requires complete computation within a specified time, their deadline.
Windows. In early 1938, in early Windows in early 1983, Bill Gates made the operating system interface graphics are being developed and will be given to MS-DOS, Microsoft Direct Operating System. For the IBM PC and compatible system since 1981, Microsoft Windows or our usual courtesies as Windows is the operating system developed by Microsoft Corporation that use interface with GUI, graphical user interface. Unix. Unix was written in C language, so that Unix was similar to those that line or text command based. On the other hand, was a Unix operating system secure than other operating system, because every file, directory, user, and group has its own set of permission to access. Because of the support of GNU project, we then developed into Unix Linux, one variant of Unix. Linux, originally developed by Linus Torvalds, who initially required a terminal emulation to access a Unix server at his university. Just like Unix, Linux can be controlled by one or more command line interface or CLI, text-based graphical user interface, GUI, which is default configuration for desktop version. One thing that distinguishes Linux to other operating systems is the price. Linux is mostly free price, although some are paid or license. Linux can be distributed without having to give royalty to someone. There are several kinds of Linux distributions such as Debian, Licorice, Sandros, Lindo, Liner, Linux Mandrake, Red Hat Linux, Slackware, Knoppix, Fedora, SUSE, Ubuntu.
macOS, Macintosh operating system. macOS or Macintosh operating system is the operating system by Apple Computer, made specifically for Macintosh computer and is not compatible with IBM-based computer. macOS is the first operating system that uses graphical user interface or GUI. Access Windows. The operating system is user-friendly. Full hardware support application for the Windows platform mode. Has a sophisticated access control settings and compared to other operating systems because not everyone can access the data independently of all particular objects. Support file system format partition with FIT, FIT16, FIT32, and TFS ISO 9660 supports encryption file system or EFS. The system is used to protect the data that is important so that cannot be opened by another user or over another computer. B. Weakness Windows. Easy to contracting the virus. License price is too expensive and cannot be reached by the user as a whole. There is not three-dimensional effect and have a low resolution image. What access Linux? The operating system is resistant construction the virus. Linux is very stable, so that it becomes a platform for the majority of the internet servers up to the film industry. Linux is very well used for the networking. Linux is a free and open operating system. That is a say no. There is a license fee to buy or use Linux. Linux is an operating system that is very multi-user and multitasking. B. Weakness Linux still not made suitable software run on Linux. Some hardware that seems hard to produce drivers for Linux. What access Mac OS? A more glossy look so good for the graphic design or multimedia, not susceptible to virus because it was designed by security oriented. Has program Sherlock, which not only search for files on the hard drive and the local network, but also on the internet. High performance, especially for Mac OS X, can be to do all those things in run application with good speed. B. Weakness Mac OS. Software for OS is not compatible as in Windows. The price is still too expensive. That's suitable for the application server. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe.